During my 45 years of practice, I've seen many changes in health care. One of the major changes that I did see, discovery and production of vaccines that saved many, many, many lives. COVID-19 and variants such as Delta are positioned to be with us for the long term. The solution is widespread vaccination of the general public. By this, I mean 99% plus. So vaccines have provided us with excellent health care, so to speak, and survival, decreased morbidity, decreased mortality. So your plan A is not to get vaccinated for your child's illness. What is your plan B when your child gets the illness that the vaccine prevents? So extrapolating that to COVID, if you don't wish or reject being vaccinated for COVID-19, what is your plan B? Your plan A is not to get vaccinated. So you need a plan B, and when you get COVID-19. By refusing vaccination for COVID-19, you may and will be preventing treatment for illnesses such as cancer, heart disease, elective surgeries, as well as many others. It's plain and simple selfishness. Healthcare workers are stressed to the maximum, not just here, in all of Canada, all countries in the world, including some that have had their best vaccination rates. Some are so exhausted, they resign, causing staff shortages and an ever longer wait time for patients requiring medical treatment. Could we consider it a crime not to get vaccinated because we're hurting other people? Well, let's try to make an analogy. If you participate in a dangerous, unrecommended activity resulting in someone's death, you will likely be charged with unintentional homicide. Think about that. If by refusing to get vaccinated or wearing a face mask, you contract and spread COVID-19 to some contacts, resulting in their death, should this not be an unintentional homicide? Please think about this. You are killing people by not getting vaccinated. You are making them sick. Plain and simple. There's no ifs, buts, and ands. And please have a plan B and share it with public health and other health professionals. If you don't, please get the COVID-19 vaccine and wear a face mask in public places, plus social distancing. That not being vaccinated for measles, your child will not be allowed to continue in school. Perhaps that is coming with COVID-19. I don't know, but it's a thought. In today's Ottawa Citizen, there were two articles. That's the August 4th issue that caught my attention. One was a comment by President Biden in the US. As some of you may be aware, the Republican leaders in both Florida and Texas are anti-vaxxers. His comment to them was, help or move over. It was very interesting. Another article was in the letters to the editor by an individual who apparently did his homework. And although you may quote the Charter of Rights, you have rights and freedoms, correct? And maybe on that basis, you're refusing the vaccine. However, there apparently is a provision in Section 1 of the Charter that allows for reasonable restrictions. So As we run out of money, as we run out of healthcare workers, you may not be getting fewer restrictions, but actually more. So this should be compelling information to get the COVID-19 vaccinations. Thank you kindly.